This is still the Offala Festival of Igwe, His Royal Highness Igwe Emmanuel Ugwu. As you are watching anywhere you are watching us live, you tell us where you are watching us from, tell us where you are all over the world. This is the Jele Nukumongu. Offala Festival is ongoing at Ibagwa. Igwe Emmanuel Ugwu Nukumaru Eziokwe one of Okwe.
Eziokwe one of Okwe
Kingdom. I can hear that, man.
Join live.
Anywhere you are joining us all over the world, let us know where you are joining us from. Why are you not? Tell us where you are. Igwe Zurukeme. Share this video, let it go viral.
Go, move.
Oh, Igwe. A beautiful culture. Share this video, let others see. Share this video. Share this video. Don't die. This is the Offala Festival in Ibagwa. Share this video, let it trend. Let it go viral. We are here live as it's happening. Igwe Zurukeme, Ibagwa, Eziokwe one of Okwe Kingdom.
Visionary leader, the one and only digital Igwe. That's the person we are talking about today. You can see what is happening outside. Ibagwa is the place to be. In a short while, they'll be coming into this hot story.
Please share this video. Offala. Igwe Emmanuel Ugwu of Ibagwa. You can see as he's arriving for his 12th Offala festival. Tell us where you are joining us from, tell us where you are, and share this video. Let us join, please. Let it go viral. Omenani Igbo gade, Omenani Igbo gade. Oh, but I need Igbo kind me. I na sige ya barage abobunino. Abobunino ya barage. I na sige ndewo.
It is happening live. This is Ibagwa. Don't stop the way. Don't stop the way. To make your ears open. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Share this video. Tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are. Let it go viral. Let it go viral. Everybody knows that I'm not going to Igwe Emmanuel Offala, the 12th one, please share. People who make and also join here. Let people join, please. Share and share. As much as possible to share this video. And the Maramara na culture Igbo dị mma. Culture Igbo amaka, attack of the gala nọkwa ebe a. Na ndị ọzọ dị iche iche.
Thank you so much. Let's congest the stage. If you don't have any to congest the stage, there will be time.
Please decongest the stage. Soon as stage up, do not block the view of His Royal Highness. Do not block the view of Ezoke. Do not block the view of, yes,